Riding. Welcome to Auto Cars, the place where passionate drivers, car lovers, and automotive enthusiasts come together to discover the latest vehicles, future concepts, honest reviews, and exciting automotive innovations. If you enjoy premium luxury, cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, and detailed car content, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and join our growing Auto Cars family. Today we are taking an exciting look at the highly anticipated 2026 Cadillac Eldorado, a legendary name that many enthusiasts have dreamed of seeing return. The Cadillac Eldorado has always represented American luxury at its finest. For decades, it stood as one of the most recognizable grand touring coupes in the world, combining elegant styling with effortless performance and premium comfort. Now, rumors and expectations surrounding a possible 2026 or 2027 revival have sparked excitement among automotive fans. While Cadillac has not officially confirmed every specification, many enthusiasts imagine the new Eldorado as a modern flagship coupe that blends timeless luxury with advanced electric technology and unmistakable American character. From the very first glance, the imagined 2026 Cadillac Eldorado commands attention. The front fascia carries Cadillac's bold design language with an illuminated crest proudly positioned in the center of a sleek black crystal grille. Slim vertical LED headlights stretch elegantly toward the sculpted front bumper, creating an aggressive yet refined appearance. Every body line appears carefully designed to maximize both beauty and aerodynamic efficiency. The long hood pays tribute to the classic Eldorado models, while the low roofline creates a dramatic coupe silhouette. Smooth flowing curves connect seamlessly from front to rear, giving the vehicle an athletic stance without sacrificing elegance. Flush door handles, frameless windows, and polished chrome accents further emphasize the premium nature of the car. Large alloy wheels ranging from 21 to 23 inches fill the wheel arches perfectly. Depending on the selected trim, buyers could choose between elegant multi-spoke luxury wheels or sport-inspired designs finished in gloss black or machined aluminum. Premium performance tires ensure exceptional grip while maintaining the quiet ride expected from a Cadillac flagship. The rear of the Eldorado is equally impressive. Signature vertical LED taillights stretch from the roofline toward the lower bumper, creating an instantly recognizable Cadillac appearance even at night. A full-width light bar enhances the modern styling, while an integrated rear spoiler subtly improves aerodynamic performance. Every detail reflects confidence, sophistication, and attention to craftsmanship. Step inside, and the cabin immediately showcases why Cadillac continues to compete with the world's finest luxury brands. Soft premium leather covers nearly every surface, complemented by genuine wood, brushed aluminum, carbon fiber, or sustainable luxury materials depending on the chosen configuration. The craftsmanship feels handcrafted rather than mass-produced. The dashboard is dominated by a massive curved digital display that combines the instrument cluster, infotainment system, navigation, vehicle settings, and entertainment into one seamless high-resolution screen. Graphics remain sharp, colorful, and highly customizable, allowing drivers to personalize